Welcome back to VRINGON. Last time, we generated a shoe design from scratch. Today, we're going a step further with Detail Edit. Hit the Edit button at the bottom to get started. Once you're in, you'll notice the shoe is already separated by part. Each part has its own description on the left panel. You can rewrite these descriptions to change the design. Now let's move on to Add Detail. This is where things get really interesting. First, try the Auto Select tool. It automatically detects the area you want to edit. Or if you need more precision, switch to the Pen tool. It supports both straight lines and curves, so you can trace any shape you need. Once your area is selected, you can change the color, material, or pattern. You can also drop in your own image, like a logo. We're adding ours right here. Hit Apply, and there it is. Our logo, placed right on our design. With Detail Edit, you have full control over every finishing touch. Next time, we'll explore variation. See you then.